Hey everybody, if you happen to recently watch or watch soon one of our videos that shows an inspection video where we find a front wheel bearing hub with a heap of plane at under 200,000 kilometers, and all of a sudden you watch some more videos and you say, hang on, he's saying to replace them every 200,000 k's as prevention, and Christmas has snuck up on you and you're going away on a trip and you're a bit concerned about that. Well, good news if you're around Melbourne, because you can come and pick them up. We'll be around more or less. You just need to send a text message at the best of your ability what you think the right time to make contact with someone. Eventually you'll get a reply and hopefully we can arrange a pickup. Just a quick reminder though, there's no EFT machine, so you'll need to bring that folding stuff that's really reliable to pay for it. And then we can organise your invoice and your goods, no problem at all. But pickup is going to be a popular thing because people are going to be working on their vehicles, watching videos, checking inspection playlists, checking vehicles, finding problems. These are not the only parts you're going to need. The Prado front wheel bearing assembly, the bearing, the hub, all the seals, the O-ring, all professionally pressed together. And of course that back seal comes included with everything as well. Just thought I'd do a quick video to let you know I'm here to help. Next year, we're going to change it up a bit. This year we've been doing vehicle inspections over the last year or two where we spend an hour and a half with you, sort of cost you a couple $100 or so, because we're spending time, two people, doing a major inspection on the vehicle to let you know about anything you need. What we're going to do this year is some really cheap, it's going to be $100 inspections. We're going to limit it to half an hour, okay? And we're going to do whatever checks we can do in half an hour, which will be as unthorough or thorough as you like. We can take longer if you like. Just let us know when you book in how long you would like. We can even do a 10-minute inspection for free. Yes, that's right, for free. 10 minutes for free, half an hour for $100, or we can do the longer one if you like. Depends how well you want your vehicle inspected and how long you want to stand around and chit chat and ask questions. Obviously, if it's a free 10-minute inspection, you're in and out the door. I can't stand there and talk to you for half an hour or an hour. Please understand, time, we're limited. Everybody's got the same amount of time and there's plenty of things to fill it up with. I'm happy to help out. 10 minutes for free. Okay, so stay tuned. It could be announced on our YouTube channels, on our Facebook group, the Prado Hospital. It could be on our groups like Oz Prado Crew, Oz Hilux Crew. Obviously, it's only for people in Australia. I know it could be popular. A lot of people will be subscribed, watch, don't miss a thing now, which is probably important too, which is why you watch the video, because when I started this video, it was going to be a 20-second video that told you can pick some of these hubs up if you like over Christmas, New Year, January, December, January, in case you thought you missed the boat. That'll be an easy way for you to get your hands on them quickly if you're in Victoria. We still will be sending out parts, as long as it's not the usual public holidays. Like I said, Monday, Christmas Day, we won't be doing parts, so it won't even be funny if you send a text then, because nobody will be reading the message, right? So, bada bing, stay tuned and you'll know what days to make your moves, and we'll all be happy. You'll get the best customer service, the best parts, like I said, professionally put together, quality parts, all the right components. I've chosen the best from all. There's different seals, okay? There's different O-rings, there's different bearings, and there's not really different hubs, unless you can find the OE manufacturer, I suppose, because that's the only one to go for. They come with new studs. We supply new bolts. On some of them, we're going to recycle bolts to save some money with the rising cost of everything. To cut costs, we're going to use the genuine bolts from some hubs that we've split, so you might find the odd little bit dirty bolt on your hubs. We're going to mainly try and use those on the Hilux ones just to keep it simple, but you might find them on the Prado. It depends how many we end up with in the end, but there's not going to be that many. You can bring back your old hubs for splitting if you like, but I'm not asking for those, and that's not a requirement. Can you believe I've just waffled 4 minutes on what was going to be 20 seconds? Thanks for listening. Catch you on the next video. Merry Christmas. See ya.